Guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we will search about the application of Indeed job search. Here we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your